Okay friends, to get started on the rear shock, first we're going to locate it. You're going to be able to find the lower bolt right down along here near the leaf spring, and then if you were to follow it up, you're going to find two mounting bolts right up there. We have the rear wheel off, but you don't necessarily have it off to do this job. I'm just going to remove this nut right here. We'll remove the washer as well. Now let's move along to removing our upper bolts. Let's just use a pry bar and pry this away. There it is, friends. So now it's going to be time to install our brand new shock. One of the first things we have to do is charge it up. To do that, I'm going to rest it in between my feet and I'm going to press down. Remove this right here and we'll let this fully extend. Once it fully extends, push it all the way down and let it come back up. Do this 3 to 5 times. It's time to get ready for our install. Something that you want to pay attention to is your emergency brake cable. We want to bring the shock up and in between the differential tube and that cable. Next, we're going to go ahead and line this up with the holes up there, and we'll start in both of our bolts. Now let's go ahead and bottom these out. Now let's go ahead and put on the lower aspect. Now let's go ahead and put on our washer and our locking nut. Now let's torque this to 62 foot-pounds. And now we'll torque these top bolts to 22 foot-pounds. There we are. Let's do the same to the other. Okay, so now the process will be the same for the other side. Aside from that, take it for a road test.